Well, you could have this next one, Russia's robot gun dog.
So sneaky.
Just
Look
like
at this outfit.
got a whole costume going on. Some people said it looked very similar to an already existing G01 Robo-Dog from Unitree Robotics, which apparently retails for $2,700 or can be found for as little as $420 on AliExpress. They think it might be one of those with an outfit, wearing an outfit.
Okay.
Yeah, I can kind of see the resemblance.
The eyes too.
And anyway, it was some sort of annual Army 2022 International Arms Expo. So they took one of those, they put an outfit on it, and they obviously put some type of rocket launcher, anti-tank rocket launcher on the back. It's never going to work, Will. Do you know that thing's going to be thrown around if you try to launch a rocket off of it?
Yeah.
It can carry the rocket launcher, obviously.
Uh-huh.
You're not going to be able to fire it, really, in its current state. Things are going to go flying, Will.
Yeah, the recoil.
Oh, my... You kidding me?
And the aiming of it?
Are you kidding me? So this is not anytime soon, but people always get all fired right up when they see robot weapon, robot with weapon.
All they have to do is just attach like a gun.
Although I like these people. They're just like petting it and they're like, oh, how cute.
Yeah.
Rocket launcher dog. But it is an actual rocket launcher. This quadruped is known as the M81 complex. Walking, laying down, rotating. You can't fire that thing, I'm telling you right now. Oh. Not in that current setup. You can't fire that thing.
Creepy.
I think it's just a mod to a pre-existing bot that's out there. That's probably all that is.